Hello everybody, this is Nora, and today I want to share with you a new product that I came across and purchased this from Amazon. So this is available on Amazon and I will have the link down below. I will tell you what attracted me to this particular product and about this company. So first off, let me tell you the name of the company is iMethod Beauty. Right here it is. And I will go ahead and tell you, so right now this paper came inside this box with very detailed instructions on how to use the product and what the products are. I will show you. I put them back in the box. I've already used them, and I will have a clip on showing you the demonstration and application on them, but I wanted you to see how they came nicely in this box. And so these are powders. I have a holographic powder and a chrome powder. Okay, inside this box came this piece of paper with very detailed instructions and very grammatically correct instructions. I can vouch for that, step by step on how to apply the product. Okay, this is very good. You hardly ever see that on using these powders because it's very important when you're new to this and you really don't want to waste product. So there is detailed information in here on how to contact them. They are available to you in case you have questions about it. So let me show you. Oh, and another thing that it's very unique about this company, with every purchase they donate a percentage of your sales to the this is the United Nations Children's Fund, the UNICEF. So that is very unique. Nice to know that they do that. Right there it is. And so let me show you, when I saw the picture on Amazon, what I thought was very unique about these powders and different from others. Check them out. Look at the packaging. Look at that container. Oh my gosh. Isn't that super cool? So yes, they come in those Ziploc bags, each one with 2 sponge applicators. And let's open the holographic so you can take a close look. Isn't that the neatest packaging? They look like little saucers. Let's take off the chrome. Here's the two together. Let me go ahead and open this, and because I've already used them, I know they did not come sealed. I will show you. Because they are not sealed, it's best to tap them like this straight up and down on your surface to bring the powder, level the powder as much as possible. And here's that holo. Isn't that cool? I mean, I first thought this was, I didn't know it was a window, so you can see straight into the container. Look at that. And I can tell you from having used this already, and I've yet to reveal what I have on my hands, on my nails, this holographic, it goes nice over any color, and the surface color comes right through. So it's not solid where you may loosen. You don't. It's not just to apply it over black. Of course, you know, over black you have more enhancement. And this is the chrome. This is the Chameleon Chrome. It shifts from purple to green. You see the gold, gorgeous color. And again, here, see, so this is just the window. See it? I thought it was a paper or a picture or something underneath, but this is actually a window cap to these containers. So you can see them right there. And that's how they came. And these will apply best, yes, over gel. I did not try anything over regular polish. And let me now reveal to you my manicure. Check it out. Oh, I could not stop taking pictures of these. So I started out by swatching the chrome powder over black. And then I didn't want to take it off. I wanted to swatch the holo, and I said, let me just go right over my tips with the holo. Yeah, I thought I was going to stop there. I remember my brand new plate from Born Pretty store. I had to go with the stamp and then kept laying it up with these chameleon studs. Yes, layers upon layers upon layers. It just equals beautiful nail art, don't you think? I'm so in love. Like I said, I could not stop taking pictures. You will see. But yes, I will go ahead and I will leave you with the clip on the application for these nails, and then I'll be back at the end to give you my final thoughts. Alright guys, so there you saw how you go about applying these powders. If you're new to powders, then you saw a little bit more detailed instructions on how to go. First, you start out with your clear base, your color, a no wipe top coat for the powders, and then finish it with a no wipe top coat. And then of course you can't do like I did and add any type of art right on top of that. As you can see, nothing. It didn't. The top coat did not change the finish on that chrome at all. And I have had some powders that, yes, the top coats seems to like kind of fog up the chrome, but not for these. So I'm very impressed. Again, available on Amazon. I will have the link down below if you're interested. And also I came across a 20% off code. If you're interested in that, I will have that in the description down below. I believe it does have an expiration date. I can't remember when it expires, but I will have that down below. If you have any questions, leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review, and if you did, please give my video a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.